When a toilet problem resists basic fixes or creates safety and property risk, call a professional plumber. If a clog does not clear after 40 or more plunges, stop and engage a plumber to avoid pipe damage and worsening backups. Persistent leaks that soak subfloors or cause recurring water on the bathroom floor need immediate professional attention because hidden structural rot and mold can spread quickly. If a foreign object is confirmed inside the trap or beyond reach with a closet auger, professionals have specialized tools like motorized drain cameras and hydrojetters to locate and remove obstructions without breaking fixtures. A cracked or visibly damaged toilet bowl or tank requires replacement or careful repair from a plumber to prevent catastrophic failure and water loss. For repeated slow drains despite chemical and mechanical attempts, the root cause may be a main sewer line obstruction or tree root intrusion that needs inspection with a camera and targeted removal. When gas or sewer odors are present, or multiple drains back up at once, those symptoms point to a larger system problem that only a trained technician should diagnose and fix. Common mistakes include continuing to plunge an immovable clog, which can push debris deeper or damage seals, so stop and call a plumber when plunging fails. Using harsh chemical drain cleaners often damages pipes and seals over time, so avoid them and opt for mechanical clearing or professional hydrojetting. Trying to retrieve a foreign object by dismantling the toilet without the correct technique can crack porcelain or bend bolts, so shut off water and let a plumber remove the fixture safely if the object cannot be reached with a proper auger. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for situations that need professional plumbing intervention and for routine upgrades. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community where professionals and homeowners share real case experiences and practical advice.